Hi everyone! Today, we are diving into a really common and incredibly powerful set of challenges in SQL, gap and island problems. These aren't just theoretical puzzles, they are essential for analyzing real-world data, helping us find patterns, streaks, and breaks in sequences. Mastering them will significantly boost your SQL skills and make you a much more effective data analyst. First, let's understand what we mean by gaps and islands. Imagine you have a series of events, like user logins, machine sensor readings, or product sales over time. An island is a continuous sequence of these events, where everything is happening without interruption. A gap, on the other hand, is a break in that sequence, a period where nothing happened or data is missing. For example, you might want to find all the consecutive days a user logged in, that's an island, or identify periods when a server was down for more than an hour, that's a gap. These problems are super important because they help businesses understand user behavior, monitor system uptime, track inventory, and much more. They also frequently appear in SQL interviews, testing your understanding of advanced concepts. So, how do we solve them? The secret weapon here is SQL window functions. Functions like row_number, lag, lead, and dense_rank are your best friends. Let's walk through the core idea. Often, the trick involves creating a grouping key that stays constant for all rows within an island. A very popular method is to use row_number in combination with your sequence column. For instance, if you have a date_column and you want to find consecutive dates, you can calculate date_column, row_number, over order by date_column. Think about it. If your dates are consecutive, e.g., January 1st, January 2nd, January 3rd, and your row_number is also consecutive, 1, 2, 3, then date_column, row_number, will result in the same constant value for all those dates. When a gap occurs, e.g., January 5th after January 3rd, the date_column, row_number, value will change, effectively marking the start of a new island. This constant value then becomes your island identifier. Once you have this unique identifier for each island, you can easily group by it to find the start date, end date, or count of items within each island using aggregate functions like min, max, and count. Another powerful technique uses lag, or lead, to compare a row's value with the previous or next row's value. This helps you explicitly detect where a gap begins or an island ends by checking if the difference between consecutive values exceeds a certain threshold. For example, comparing current_date with lag, current_date, over order by current_date, can tell you if the previous day was truly consecutive. If the difference is greater than 1 day, you've found a gap. Then, you can use dense_rank, or a similar approach to assign a new island number each time a gap is detected. In essence, you first order your data, then identify where the breaks, gaps, occur, and finally create a stable grouping mechanism to define your continuous sequences, islands. This might sound complex, but with practice, these patterns become intuitive. So, gap and island problems are all about finding continuous sequences and breaks in your data, and SQL window functions are the perfect tools for the job. Practice these techniques, they are incredibly valuable in many real-world scenarios. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more SQL tips and tutorials. See you next time.